Hello everyone, welcome you all to English online class and I am your English teacher Sindhu David. Today I will teach you a poem from NCERT Honeydew book, Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. First I will tell you about the poet. T.S. Eliot. Thomas Sterne Eliot, born on 26 September 1888, was an essayist, a critic, a playwright and one of the well-known poets of the 20th century. Some of his famous poems are The Wasteland, Journey of the Maggie, Naming of Cats, etc. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1948. Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot, is a long poem about a villainous cat. The poem is light in tone and theme is not serious. It is humorous in nature. The poem describes how the cat manages to commit all types of crimes and always escapes from being caught. He breaks all the laws, yet the police fails to catch him. He also has some alibi. We will discuss each stanza in detail line by line and also learn the meanings of difficult words. Some of the key points of the poem. The present poem is a beautiful poem on a mischievous cat named Macavity. Though all the pet cats are not so mischievous, Macavity is so, and it is a mystery cat for the poet. In this poem, the poet has used personification as he used he for the cat instead of it. This poem is an account of the crimes committed by the mischievous cat Macavity. Let us recite the first stanza of the poem. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squad despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. The poet says that Macavity is a mystery cat and is known by the name of hidden paw. The first letter of the phrase mystery cats are written in capital, so the name is particular and proper. He is known as hidden paw because he is a master criminal and can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard and despair of the Flying Squad. Flying Squad is a branch of the serious and organized crime command within London's Metropolitan Police Service. The squad's purpose is to investigate robberies. In other words, he has made the police of Scotland confused because when the police reaches the scene of crime after he commits the crime, he vanishes away. Here the poet repeats the word Macavity. It suggests that police are searching for him everywhere. According to the poet, there is no one like Macavity, as he has broken every human law as well as the law of gravity. Law of gravity here means that no one can vanish away, but Macavity does. Macavity's power of levitation can make a fakir stare. After committing a crime, he vanishes away. So when anybody reaches the scene of the crime, he will not be able to find him, though he may search him on the ground or in the air. So the poet tells again that he is not there. It is useless to search for him. The poet repeats the word Macavity. It suggests that police are searching for him everywhere. According to the poet, there is no one like Macavity, as he has broken every human law as well as the law of gravity. Law of gravity here means that no one can vanish away, but Macavity does. Macavity's powers of levitation. can make a fakir stare. After committing a crime, he vanishes away. So when anybody reaches the scene of the crime, he will not be able to find him, though he may search him on the ground or in the air. So the poet tells again that he is not there. It is useless to search for him. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. In this stanza, the poet introduces him as a ginger cat, as he is tall and thin. One will know that if he sees him. His eyes are sunken in, his eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. That is, make him look like a villain. His head is domed, his coat is dusty, as he does not keep himself clean. His whiskers are uncombed, and he keeps swaying his head from one side to the other, that are similar to the movements of a snake. When someone would think that he is half asleep, in reality he is awake, and in a complete sense. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. According to the poet, no one is like Macavity, as he is a fiend in feline shape. He is a monster of depravity. That is, he is morally corrupt. One can find and meet him in a by street or in the square, but after his crime is discovered, he vanishes away and cannot be found.